Okay, let's go.
First thing you want to do is you take your collar, put it on your collar tool. We're going to slide that up. Be careful with it. I have stabbed myself with this before. Take that part off. There's this hook tool here, and you slide that through. And on this bait, I'm only doing one tab a piece. And I have a kitty coming up to attack right now. One. Second one. It's layer number 2. And layer 3 is about to go on. I do suggest if try this at home that you have scissors ready. I currently do not have a pair of scissors, so I will have to trim this with whatever I have. I don't do this like everybody else does. A lot of other people show you doing it a whole different way. I know I'm just trying to give a visual example of how to do this. Trying not to have issues. So some people would say go ahead and pull it straight through at this point. I like to pull mine just about where I know it'll be almost half, but not quite half. So I like to leave my back end a little long and I just trim it out. Pull it just a little bit more. There we go. Make sure these are all about right. And just slide your collar back down. Pull that back through. And at this point, if you have scissors, this is where you would take the scissors and you would trim off the tab ends. I currently do not have scissors, as I mentioned before. So I'm going to have to try to cut these with my pocket knife real quick. It is easy to just go to like Dollar Tree or something and go snatch up a little pair of scissors. And of course, me being me, I'm going to do it the hardest way possible. One set cut. I know a lot of guys that do this, they do tend to leave things a little longer and then they can trim it off themselves. So now it looks like this. Try to pre-sort all this. Trying not to take too much time on getting this set up the way I want it to be set up, but things take time. So what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to make sure all the top, middle, and belly layers are the way I want them to be. Sometimes my friends tell me I have some sort of OCD, and at times I figure they're almost right. That's also what makes me get to a point where I make really good fishing lures. So, alright, let's get to it. Now you want to take your hook, just do it just like a soft plastic. As you can see me trying to keep everything the way I want it to be. Get right up over there. Alright, and that's basically how you get it on there. For those of you who want to do everything a little different, trim it up yourself and everything, yeah, you're able to do that. So here's the other one that I finished up earlier. It's more the way I want it. This one I've still got to tweak a few things out, but that's just by my preference. As I said, I do tend to leave the skirt long. That way, if you want, you come in here, you trim all this down and have your trailer on here however you want to do it. Figure this would work really great with a Kitech or even a creature trailer. You can hear the cats in the background. Like I said earlier, this is one of the reasons I've been having issues recording today. So this has been Jeff with Get Hooked Outdoors. If you would like to win one of these lures in a drawing, all you have to do is like, subscribe, comment, and there's a kitty. Like, subscribe, comment. Yeah, give the channel some love, y'all. I'll be picking somebody out on Saturday, May 31st around 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. All the people that will be involved will be all new subscribers. Whether we get 5 or 6, we're going for 50 subscribers so that we may be able to take Get Hooked Outdoors live for when we go fishing, when we go out, do shopping, exploration stuff, you know, just going on our regular outdoor adventure stuff. Really want to do some live videos, do better shorts, and start doing some really, really excellent content. I have a couple of friends that I want to get involved with this, and I look forward to being your guys' outdoor entertainment. I just need to get these followers going, and yeah. Anyway, like I said, this has been Jeff with Get Hooked Outdoors. Experience the adventure.